Hey y'all, welcome back. All right, so I don't know about this angle. I really don't know. Let me kind of move this and straighten. Oh, that looks a little bit better. Okay. Yes, we are back, and we are back with another unboxing. This one is kind of a small, medium little canvas from Diamond Art Club. Do what makes you sparkle. I would say this is a small to medium, somewhere in between those two ranges, just because of, I've seen the bigger ones. I have some bigger ones. You haven't seen them though, but we will work on that. This one, and I'm sorry, I will put the artist name at the end in the credits. I don't know. But I always put the artist name in the credits now. Just trying to evolve and do more, but I don't know who did this one. This one, I have to show you sideways, is January Owl. It is a round drill bead, diamond, whatever you want to call it. It is a 48 by 32. I'm going to scoot on over here and I'm going to zoom in so you can see the picture up close and personal. Yep, 48 by 32 centimeters. And look right there. It says it has an AB in it. We're going to check that out. Isn't that pretty? I just thought that owl was beautiful. I do like owls. So this one will be fun to see. We're going to put that right there. Let's get off the rest. All right, where is it? I know sometimes you really have to shake. If you don't think that your kit comes with a pin and the tray and all, just shake it loose. It's stuck in the bottom. So we're going to put the box over there. Here's the kit. Here's the kit. Got your tray, your bags for the beads later, your wax in the shape of a heart, your squishy that goes on your pin. Everything's in there. The born on date for January Owl was February 27th of 2019. There are some beautiful colors. I think I found an AB. I think I found it right there. But we will see. All right, so I can see on the canvas, all right, there are 27 colors. 27. And I can tell because I have to say, Diamond Art Club, like black. You know black is going to be a black square with a white dot in it. So I'm looking at this and yeah, they go down all the way to number 27 to give you the AB color. Not 27, number 17 for the AB color, which is 127. Yeah. So I'm wondering if they redid this, if they recharted it and put an AB in there. And instead of redoing the whole entire schematic, if they just put it in where they took out that color. That would make sense, right? So, I'm struggling to find the opening. It's got to open. Here we go. Ugh, there. Now there are some pretty colors. All right, so let's look at the hefty guys first. The the lighter ones over here. Because I know them by weight, if you did not know. So there are some kind of like burnt orange looking colors. To me, that's what that looks like. It's burnt orange. Blue. Is that brown? It looks brown. There's your black. There's your dark blue. There's another dark blue. And yet you've got 2 bags. How is it you have 2 bags of dark blue? 1 bag of 310? Well, then I probably need to do this one after a Mandy Manzano. Because we all know that a Mandy Manzano, the 310 life is serious. All right, let's look at the smaller colors. We have orangish colors. We have a party over here, a gray, a purple, a light purple at that. That's a red. That's kind of a peach. There it is. There it is. And it's kind of a light pink. It's pretty. Very shiny. Blue. It's kind of a peachy pink kind of color. A blue, and a blue. All blue. That's kind of like a burgundy color. It's another peachy kind of color. Purple. Well, we got a partier over here. And these, it's kind of a peach, but kind of like a coral. I think that's brown. There's another peachy kind of color. There is a wine color. And there is, that's so hard to describe. It's not coral, it's not peach, it's not burnt orange, but it is an interesting color. I need to look that color up. Where is my book? I want to look that color up because I can't even describe that color. So yes, we are going to stop right now and we are going to look up 356, okay? All right. Let's look. 356. La 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 la. Oh, I just want them in order. Come on. 356. Terracotta medium. All right. Terracotta medium. Gotcha. So it's terracotta. So now we know. This color right here is terracotta. Okay. Inquiring minds needed to know. I promise. Really did. Inquiring minds needed to know. Now to get them back in here. This is definitely sticky. Stick it down. Roll it over. Well, that did not work very well. Try that again. Haha, there we go. Much, much better. Okay. Now let's get into the canvas. Like I said, this is not a small, but to me it's not really a medium. And I am going to roll it backwards. So, all right, hang on. Well, that wonderful piece of paper with the directions on it just fell on the floor. I'm not going to bother to pick it up. But look what I found. Yay. I found the schematic. And of course now I've closed up the drills. I will not open them again. I will just put it back in with the canvas. All right, so here we go. Let me see if okay, I can tell which side is upright. This one's going to be long. I'm going to move this like way on over there. So, ta-da! Ooh. Wow. Look at it. Let's pet the back of the canvas while we're... Ooh, look at the owl. Can you hear the chirping? Yes. The chirping is the cat deciding to play with a toy. Okay, so they did put one over here, one schematic here, and one schematic here. And I guess that's so, you know, if you're just working and you've got this piece rolled up, you can still see it. And then you can see this side too. But like I've said before, I don't use the schematic at all. So, except for when I'm kitting up. This is going to be so pretty. All right, so let me do this and bring this up. So you see how, I mean, you've got this light right here, which is right here. I'm sorry, we're going to pull you on down into it so you can see how clear it is. It does have the training wheel circles, and I'm okay with that. I think my biggest concern will be over here in the tree with the A's, but the A's are pretty clear. They're clear. You know, sometimes I have trouble with like the reds and the pinks if they have black symbols on them. Especially if they're like a dark hot pink and then a red right beside each other. It really messes with my eyes. But I think these will be fine. I think that these arrows right here will be okay. So, yep, very clear. Extremely clear. I love this image. I love this picture right here. I wish that we could get rid of it. There we go. That's a little better. So, what is this color? What is this color? Okay, this is the 939 life going on right here. Wally's killing me. Wally's killing me. So let's go ahead. Let's take it to the bottom corner. Yep, sticky. It is sticky. All right. So I can't wait to see this one like completed. I don't know if I will keep this one or if I will donate this one. It is all going to depend because, you know, I love this one, but I don't know. I think that there are other people who like owls a lot more than me that go to the auctions that I am involved with and go to and donate to. So we'll see. We're gonna see. It's pretty though, isn't it? Wow. Tell me what you think. Let me know. So thank you for coming by and seeing this one unboxed. Stop by, check out some more of my videos. Thank you for coming. Appreciate it. Here we go. I'm going to get this back in this bag so that this can get all boxed up again. Because it will be a while. I have so many Diamond Art Club and others to do. Some of them you have not seen yet, so stay tuned. But I just made another order. But just so you know, because I don't remember when I got this one. Here, I'm going to turn it this way so you can see it. I don't remember when I ordered it, but I always get them 4 days after I order. And that has not failed me yet. So, yeah. Until next time, guys. Stop by and see me again. Until then, bye, y'all.